What's up, guys? How's it going? It's March 22nd, 2024. I am actually filming this one last minute because for some reason the audio is not working on the first video, and I gotta go to work soon, so I apologize if this is a little bit quicker. Yeah, I don't know what happened. I filmed the video on Friday and it was all good. No one to upload it, and the audio was shot. But we'll get into it because I still want to make it somewhat good. I don't want to just rush it. So bar one is continuation with a gap down. Talk about the first six bars. The market cycle went two legs. The second legs where all the two-legged moves are. Yesterday we had a double top, and it was kind of in a bear channel, and we got sideways to down price action this morning from that. So bar one is continuation from a gap down. Bar two looks like a pullback. Bar three looks like a second leg down, and continuation from bar four. Bar five is a bull bar breaking bar four's high. Bar six looks like a pullback of that bull bar, and bar seven looks like a pullback. I mean, a second leg for the bulls. So like one pullback of two. Pull back into the EMA, and that gives a double top lower high appearance, and bears get a leg lower. There's a couple of ways to read this. It looks like one. This could be a channel right here, and it breaks out into another channel. Second leg trap, kind of like one. Because this is not really breaking any. These has bull bars, but they're not really breaking channel lines. But you could count leg one, pull back leg two, pull back leg three, pull back leg four. Or you could do leg one, pull back channel and break leg two, or like leg one, pull back leg two. There's many ways to trade this, but there's a lot of overlap, so it's not the strongest bear channel, and they fail to make a new low. I think they wanted to tag the higher time frame EMA, but fail. And the bulls get a wedge top pull back into the EMA. I thought this was pretty cool. Leg one, pull back leg two, pull back leg three. And the bars are shrinking, and bar 26 is a good reversal bar. It takes out these 2 bar range. Looks like the EMA is acting as resistance, and then they sell off into the previous swing low of bar 18. Here I'm counting 3 legs down, leg one, pull back leg two, pull back leg three. And then this creates a double bottom for the bulls, and they get a couple legs higher. Bulls try and make a new high for the day, and they get a little bit of a buy the close rally, but the bars are shrinking and there's lots of overlap, so it might not really be a buy the close rally. More just like a breakout and a rally above the EMA. They break out above this and then get a retest and go for a new high, but fail. Here's a double top lower high that breaks down for leg one, pull back leg two. There goes range bound here, and bulls get a leg one, pull back leg two. And here's also a leg one, pull back leg two for the bears. So there's lots of leg one, pull back leg two moves today. I don't think they're all tradable for my level yet, but they're there and they help us frame the market. For instance, like you might, even though this is 3 legs up, wedge top, you don't have to trade it. You can think like, oh, 3 legs up, reversal. This might be a good setup to take short to previous lows, or maybe try to tag the higher time frame EMA. Looks like bears tried to tag the higher time frame EMA with bar 38, but failed. So I'll go really quick over the leg one, leg two moves. Leg one, pull back leg two. That's a nice one. And the gap down and continuation. This looks like strong for leg one, leg two move. That was met down here. You can see bulls are taking profit, bears are taking profits. And then here's the leg one, pull back leg two move. That was met. Leg one, pull back leg two. That was met. Look, it's the high of bar 36, low of bar 37. That was met. That was actually pretty cool. Let's see. This is a breakout, so we use the breakout bar. That was met here. Met. I mean, they're all going to be met. Well, it's not. You can keep extending it because they're bull bars, but eventually you got to think, when do I stop? Here it looks like a trend line break and a breakout, so maybe you go like this. What's up, guys? So I had to cut the video real quick. We were talking about this as a breakout. Yeah, I'm having some difficulties today getting this recording out. I'm just gonna make it quick, finish this up, and then we'll call it good. Yeah, breakout got the 1-to-1 here. That's a bad measurement. Here's a little bit better. You can go below bar 45. That's met. And then here's for the bears, leg one, leg two. That's met. Here's another leg one, leg two bar. But I want to talk about the leg one, leg two trade. But I want to talk about this one because the signal bar is bar 77. It's late in the day, and you pretty much have to short the bull bar after this rally. We're at highs. That wick kind of looks like it failed breakout, but it closed bullish, so Maybe a lower time frame would have caught that trade, but on the 5 minute, you would have to sell as it's moving. Where are we in the market cycle? We had a breakout here, then we pulled back, and now we're going range bound. So the market cycle is breakout. I'm gonna repeat it every video because we need to learn this. So once we learn the market cycle, we can, you can place trades around the market cycle. It doesn't really matter. So because it's just, I just really, really believe that the market cycle is important to understand, and I had no clue about it until this year, and I've been training for about 2 years, and I think if I could pick one thing to understand, it would be the market cycle. Like restarting, it would be the market cycle because it is just insane how much it happens from a multiple day perspective or just intraday perspective. Like from an intraday perspective, look, so intraday, I mean these bars breakout, pullback, channel, right? Range, breakout, pullback, channel, range, breakout, or yeah, here's the range, breakout, pullback, channel. And I'm not saying I'm going to trade it that perfectly. I'm saying this after the fact, but just like that, like there's the market cycle right there, right? Okay, that's the 5 minute chart. Now here's also the market cycle. Look, we're breaking out, breakout, pullback, channel, right? First bar creates a pullback. So then after the first pullback, that's your channel phase. It goes into channel phase, and now look, we're starting to go range bound. See, so we had a big up move, big down move. That's a range. Maybe we go here, maybe we go like that. But the market's range bound now. So even from a multi-day perspective, that's the market cycle, and then just from here, that's the market cycle. Depending where we are in the market cycle is how we trade the legs. Leg 1, leg 2 with the trend. Trade leg 3s and leg 4s, and as long. But I say that assuming I'm talking about today's price action. You can get crushed doing that in a small pullback trend. I've definitely got caught trying to fade a third and fourth leg in a small pullback trend, whether it's bearish or bullish, and I've been crushed. So yeah, that's where we are in the market cycle. Let's talk about the higher time frame. Yeah, 45-minute chart. We bounced off the trend line. That's oh no, I moved it. No, no, no. Wait, I need to lock that. I should not be able to move it that easy. Okay, this is my trend line. This is gonna be my trend line. I'm gonna see if I can trade it the whole year. It's been going from I can't remember. I wish somehow I could go back. I guess I could go back and check, but I'm just being lazy when I drew this trend line. So this is becoming more of a trend line update section. I'm just joking. So this is the daily chart. We're trading at the channel highs. We sold off. We last time we got the channel highs, we went sideways into the trend line. We broke out. Now we could go sideways again and break out. We are clearly in a bull trend. Where we are in the market cycle. Market cycles break out above the EMA. First pullback, it creates channel phase, and that's where we've been. We've been in a channel phase. So whenever this bull trend decides to stop channeling, we'll go into a range, and then the market cycle will reset. Hope you guys are doing good. Hope you guys had a good weekend. Hope you guys had use your stop loss.